Many greetings to all of you who are listening to me. I am Chavi Sharma, a Selenium automation trainer for Guru Schools. About myself, I have done my MCA and I have over 10 years of experience in IT industries and various domains like telecommunication, e-commerce, banking, finance, in many companies like Tech Mahindra, Wipro, and Mindtree. I'm associated with Guru Schools from past few years as a Selenium automation trainer. Along with me, Mr. Anand, who has 20 plus years of experience, is also associated with Guru Schools for past few years. We are here to facilitate your learning in Selenium with Java. In our full course, we cover manual testing concepts, core Java concepts, Selenium components like IDE, RC, WebDriver, Grid. Also, we cover frameworks, database connectivity, Maven, Jenkins. And if you want to know more about our course, please go through the introductory session for Selenium, which I will provide the link in the description. Guru Schools is based on 6 pillars, which includes first the instruction-led training of 6 weeks, which I have just provided you. The description like what all we cover in all these 6 weeks of training. The second pillar is about the certification. Once you complete your training, you will be provided with a diploma certificate for Selenium from Guru Schools. Third pillar is about the resume preparation. We personally look into each and every person's resume and add all the keywords and make it a reference ready resume so that the resume gets shortlisted whenever the requirement comes. So about the requirements. If you look into the different sites like Dice, Indeed, and LinkedIn, you will get thousands and thousands of requirements for Selenium tester. And they are offering you 6-figure salary also. So if you search for the Selenium automation tester, you will see there are many opportunities given by many companies, and they provide you around 6-figure salary and for the automation tester. Now coming to the fourth pillar of Guru Schools, which comes the vendor interview preparation, and the fifth pillar is client interview preparation. So for these we conducted many mock interview sessions with one-on-one with the candidates and or even in the groups, so that they learn how to give their answers, and also we provide the many mock interview sessions to build their confidence and to make you ready for facing the client interviews. Also, many interactive sessions we provide you so that you are all set to attend any interviews. The sixth pillar is to support you while your project. The project support. Once you are in your project, we make sure that we give you ongoing project support and the technical assistant so that you can sustain in your project. Last but not the least, all these facilities we provide you free of cost only if you are associated with Guru Schools for more than 3 months of your project. Just to make sure that you are a genuine candidate, your deposit will be refunded immediately after the 3 months of your project. So our aim is to place you so that you can earn a 6-figure salary, and you will get you will earn and you will be confident in your career. So that is all our aim is, to provide you a good company and to provide you a six-figure salary. So what are you waiting for? Just enroll it in our Selenium course, and you will get all these facilities with free of cost, only if you are associated with us for more than 3 months. Thank you so much.